Hello and welcome to the Reseller Resource. Today we'll be going through removing bad feedback using Amazon. If you are selling fulfilled by Amazon using Seller Central, Amazon's service allows you to remove negative feedback if it relates to things such as a product review or anything to do with the delivery speed pretty much immediately. It's really simple to do. All you need to do in your Seller Central account is click on the seller feedback icon in the top right hand corner. If you then click on your feedback count, that will take you to the Amazon Feedback Manager service and it will allow you to see all of the feedback you've been left as a seller. It's really important to remember that positive feedback and your feedback count can actually help you get the buy box more often over other sellers, so it's really important to make sure that this is something you stay on top of. If you scroll down, you will see the rating that you've been given by people who've purchased items from you. If you have one that's neutral, so that's 3 out of 5, then you can quite easily get rid of that or anything that's negative. So you can see here it says it seems a weak coverage and they've left 3 out of 5 there for the feedback. It is so simple to do. All you need to do is on the feedback you want to remove, all you do is click the arrow, click request removal, and then it says they only remove feedback in the following cases. You can quite clearly see that it seems a weak coverage there meets the entire feedback comment is a product review. All you need to do is click yes to the feedback you have received meeting the criteria. You can quite clearly see what happens there is Amazon strike through. It uses their algorithm to work out what's been left. It will check whether it's a product review, and if it's anything like that, then Amazon will just remove it automatically for you. And it's as simple as that. It's a really good quick way to stay on top of your feedback and make sure effectively that the only feedback that people looking on your page are able to see is positive comments. This has been a video from the Reseller Resource. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel for more in-depth advanced videos and training guides.